Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope all of you are staying in and staying safe with your family and getting to spend a lot of family time. Today I'm going to talk about the SARS. So the SARS actually started pretty early in the day, probably in the 1860s, and the first hour was made with the gin, and later a drink called the whiskey sour was invented in the 1860s, which later in the Americas got evolved in the 1890s and became a Boston sour or a New York sour. A whiskey sour is basically lime, sugar, whiskey shaken up and served over ice with some bitters in it. Now, if you add an egg to it, it becomes a Boston sour, and when you add wine or claret to it, instead of using the bitters, if you add like a red wine to it, it becomes a New York sour. So today we're going to do the variation on whiskey sour, and what we're going to do is we will make ourselves a New York sour. Extremely easy. Just take a shaker. If you don't have a shaker, you can use a tumbler or a closed jar with a tight top so that you can shake the liquid inside it. The idea here in the whiskey sour is to get the right froth, to get the right layer, the right head. We're going to start by putting in some lime, about 15 mils. Then about some honey water, about 15 mils as well. So you can use sugar water as well if you have some sugar water at home which you have already made. You can use that. I prefer honey water because it's try to keep it more organic. 1 egg white and about 60 ml of whiskey. Now I prefer using Glenfiddich because it gives a better character to my drink, but you're free to use whichever whiskey you like. Okay, now before adding the ice, we're going to give it a dry shake so that we get some froth to the drink. Now we're going to add some ice to this and we're going to give it a shake again. Right, very nice fluffy drink. And now what we're going to do is we're going to have a small layer of red wine on the top for garnish instead of using the bitters. So if you put the bitters on this, then it becomes a whiskey sour or a Boston sour. You put just small layer of wine. Beautiful color. And that's your amazing New York sour. Slangeur. Perfect.